I do expect it to be as strong as 2018. At EBI, we're working a lot with life insurance companies, CMBS lenders, banks, and in talking to all those players, it does seem like they're expecting active years. I think the markets in a lot of the metros we work in seem strong. Buyers want to buy, sellers still want to sell. So transactionally, it should be a pretty good space for financing and also refinancing.
Actually, yes, we do. We foresee, given the lack of supply and the low interest rate environment, we definitely foresee originations actually improving this year as well.
I expect 2019 to be as strong, if not stronger, than 2018 as vacancies and rent growth continue to outperform historical averages, even with new supply coming online.
I actually think we had a very good year in 2018, and I do expect 2019 to be very similar. Actually, I've set our goals to be exactly the same. I think it's going to be tougher this year, honestly, just to try to find and walk the tightrope. Tough competition out there right now. More and more people are coming into our spaces, the non-recourse construction and also non-recourse bridge lending. But at the same time, I think we found a very good niche and a good spot, and we have a lot of really good repeat borrowers and repeat mezz lenders that I think we're going to work with. So I kind of expect us to be at the same level this year.
I think that this is going to be the year of the status quo to a certain extent. There is a lot of concern about when the next down cycle is going to happen, but everyone has to do more business and place capital, put it to work. So I do believe that it's going to be at least as good as last year, hopefully a little better because rates have certainly ticked back down. However, I think that we're still going to see pressure on rates and some economic trends here.
I think overall, loan originations will probably stay about the same as what we're hearing out there. But from an affordable standpoint, which I focus in on, I see it increasing as far as loan volume. There's a real need with workforce housing. I think there's opportunities for lenders to find ways to make our products better and to work with gap financing that needs to be done out there with cities, states, and other even corporations that are looking to find ways to improve the housing stock out there on a workforce housing standpoint and from an affordable standpoint.
I've spoken to a lot of mortgage bankers. They've told me how wonderful 2018 was, and they felt that they'd be a little bit challenged to hit the same numbers in 2019. Certainly, if you look back 10 years ago at 2009, not a lot of loans were originated, so the same inventory of available financings are limited in 2019. With that said, I think it's going to be a perfectly good year, a strong year for lenders that have the ability to structure deals and respond to borrowers' needs. Not everyone has the same adroitness in the marketplace, but if you're willing to come up with a loan format that is in response to a borrower's needs, their wants, perhaps even their desires, then you'll be able to prosper in 2019.